An bil nan nou kon rive nan ipas kote nou pa jwen kesyon pou nou pose menaj nou. E konversasyon yo kon raz. Sou nan etap sa, video sa pral rezout problem sa. Nan video sa mbal bote pou 5 bel ti kesyon pou pose menaj ou. Sou fek tobe sou chanel sa, bienveni nan kominote ya. Chen sa dedye selman ak video ki gen rapor ak seduksyon, relasyon fama ak gason. Sou interese ak chen nan, abone pou pa rate anyen sou nouvo video.
Closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. Mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do